Throughout history, humanity has built empires, crafted wonders, and reached for the stars. But in an instant, the very ground beneath our feet, the air we breathe, and the oceans that connect us can transform from sources of life into instruments of unimaginable power. These are not just storms or tremors. They are events that reshaped coastlines, altered climates, and rewrote human history. The unstoppable force. Welcome back to Winix. Today, we're delving into the raw power of our planet. We're counting down 5 of the most powerful natural disasters ever recorded. Our ranking is based on a combination of sheer physical power, geographic scale, and the profound impact on human civilization. This is a story of resilience in the face of the inconceivable. 5. The 1815 Eruption of Mount Tambora. At number 5, an event so massive it didn't just destroy an island, it changed the world's climate. In April 1815, on the Indonesian island of Sumbawa, Mount Tambora exploded. This was the largest volcanic eruption in recorded history, rating a 7 on the Volcanic Explosivity Index. The blast was heard over 1,200 miles away. It ejected so much ash and sulfur dioxide into the stratosphere that it blocked sunlight across the globe. The following year, 1816, became known as the year without a summer. Global temperatures plummeted. Crops failed from New England to Europe, leading to famine, disease, and social unrest. The eruption's death toll, estimated at over 70,000, was just the beginning of its global reach. 4. The 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami. Number 4 is a tragic demonstration of interconnected planetary systems. On December 26, 2004, a megathrust earthquake, one of the strongest ever recorded at magnitude 9.1 to 9.3, struck off the coast of Sumatra. The sudden uplift of the seafloor generated a series of devastating tsunamis. Within hours, waves over 100 feet high slammed into the coastlines of 14 countries across the Indian Ocean. The sheer geographic scale was unprecedented, with waves detected as far away as the Atlantic Ocean. The human cost was heartbreaking, with over 230,000 lives lost. This disaster led to a global revolution in tsunami warning systems and humanitarian response. 3. The 1970 Bola cyclone and disaster. Number 2. The 1931 China floods. Our next 2 entries are reminders that water, in its overwhelming abundance, can be the deadliest force of all. At number 3, the 1970 Bola cyclone. Striking the densely populated Ganges Delta in modern-day Bangladesh and India, this Category 4 storm surge inundated low-lying islands, wiping entire villages off the map. With an estimated death toll between 300,000 and 500,000, it remains the deadliest tropical cyclone in recorded history. At number 2, the 1931 China floods. This was not a single event, but a catastrophic convergence of extreme weather over several years. Heavy snowmelt, followed by torrential rains, caused the Yangtze, Huai, and Yellow rivers to burst their banks simultaneously. An area roughly the size of England was submerged for months. The resulting famine and disease led to an estimated death toll between 1 and 4 million people, making it arguably the single deadliest natural disaster in human history. Disaster number 1, the Chicxulub impactor event. And now, for the most powerful disaster in Earth's history, one that makes all others pale in comparison. This event didn't just change a year or a century, it defined an entire geological era. Roughly 66 million years ago, a city-sized asteroid, perhaps 6 miles wide, slammed into what is now the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. The impact created the 110-mile-wide Chicxulub crater. The instantaneous release of energy was billions of times greater than the atomic bomb dropped on Hiroshima. It triggered global firestorms, mega tsunamis thousands of feet high, and blasted so much debris into the atmosphere that it blocked the sun for years, causing a catastrophic impact winter. This single event led to the Cretaceous-Paleogene mass extinction event, wiping out an estimated 75% of all plant and animal species on Earth, including most dinosaurs. This ultimate disaster cleared the stage for the rise of mammals and eventually us. These events showcase the awesome and terrifying power of our dynamic planet, and even the cosmos beyond. From global climate shifts to continent-altering impacts, these disasters remind us of our fragility. But this story isn't just about destruction. It's also about learning and resilience. Each catastrophe has driven us to understand our world better, to develop meteorology, seismology, and global communication networks. We are learning to predict, to prepare, to build smarter, and to respond as a global community. Our history is shaped by these forces, but our future is defined by how we adapt to them. Which of these disasters did you find most compelling? Are there other monumental events you think we should cover? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this exploration powerful, please give this video a like. It really helps the channel. And subscribe for more deep dives into history, science, and the forces that shape our world. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.